teman ya di kamsa jai mong.
Teman ko pa miya meh. Yang hana hab mudu ya u MLA sungi.
Mana muda yang boleh jungi?
Tip sino meh mga. Abang alim ta la post nyang buat show.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Menteri ke Sorkar Jilla bakmi ikatran kakoi kakya uba wailat miki shilla. Ulong baka Sorkar Jilla kadang ap ikakai pot nagi consultant ki bedang Bishar benya da kanu kelinti ke babahatam ban Pynïaid ya ke 108 emergency services ha Meghalaya. Hagajing akran makilat patai kubor uba shilla ulong. Hakabiya day bar kajing keno baki nong turai ke EMRI 108 kimpat yo lut ikajing siu dan jing tip AA namar ba shim lo yo priang satya ya ke file kabiya day bar kata.
The issues, and with 108 we are still awaiting. We have put some consultant to do some studies which is the best possible way to come up where we can like to run this 108. So we are waiting for that report.
Pending payments to them for start.
Pending. So I think for that I have not received any. The file is yet to come to me. So definitely whatever it's possible in our hands, so definitely we'll look at it.